Hello everybody, buongiorno a tutti. Today I want to do a lesson about Italian articles. Oggi faremo una lezione sugli articoli in italiano. You can follow my Facebook page, Speak Italian Now, so go and check. And let's start the lesson. Ok, articoli indeterminativi, indefinite articles. We have only the singular, as in English, singolare, maschile, and a singolare femminile. Remember, the double letters in Italian are very, very important. So it's femminile, femminile. Ok, singolare maschile, un, uno. Singolare femminile, una, un con l'apostrofo. It means un plus apostrophe. This is very important. When we use this article when we have a female noun that starts with vowel. We use this only with female. Okay, you see there is un without apostrophe and un with apostrophe. When there is apostrophe, you have to use un plus apostrophe only for female. Remember, because there are some people, also Italian people, that make a mistake because it's sometimes it's easy to make a mistake, but if you think that un più plus apostrophe apostrofo, you have to use this with a female femminile noun, nome, that starts with vowel. Okay, so it's very important. And then we can go on and see also the articoli determinativi, definite articles. Here we have singular, singolare, plural, plurale, maschile, male, femminile, female. Maschile, singolare, il, lo. Femminile, singolare, la, l, apostrofo. Again, the same. We use this L apostrofo with nouns. Actually, is for both male and female, for male and female noun that start with the vowel. Okay. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you some exercises and some examples. Maschile, plurale. I, J. J. This is very important sound. Is not gli, is J. You have to put your tongue flat and your teeth almost that touch each other, and you put out the air. J, J, J. Femminile, plurale, le. Okay, so thank you for watching this lesson, and I'll see you the next time. Bye-bye. Hello, and welcome to the next lesson. And let's move on with the indefinite article. Indefinite article uno. When do you use uno article? Quando si usa l'articolo uno? This article is used for singular male nouns that start with, in Italian è un articolo usato per nomi maschili singolari che iniziano per S plus consonant, PS, PN, Z, X, Y, or GN. Examples: uno, straniero, st S plus consonant. Uno straniero, a foreigner. Uno scopo, a purpose. Uno psicologo, a psychologist. Uno pneumatico, a tire or tire. British English, American English. As you can hear, in Italian we do pronounce P S. So it's not as in English that we don't pronounce the P N. It's, for example, psychologist. We say ps, psicologo, pneumatico. Okay, so it's very important that you pronounce the P. Ps. Let's move on. Uno, zo. We pronounce double O. O. Okay, the sound is stressed. Esu. Uno, xilofono. A xylophone. Uno, yogurt. A yogurt. Uno, gnomo. A gnome. Another, plural, indefinite articles. There are plural indefinite articles, and these are alcuni, male, alcune, female, some, or some people, like certi, maschile, male, and certe, femminile. Let's review the definite articles. And I added something. This chart is better than the last one. And let's see. Singular, male, singolare, maschile. We have il, lo, l'apostrophe. L apostrofo in Italian. So as I told you before, L apostrofo is for male and female. Okay, is different from an indefinite articles. Here we have L apostrofo, female and male, maschile e femminile. So singular maschile, singolare, il, lo, l'apostrofo. Femminile singolare, la, l'apostrofo. Maschile plurale, i, gli. Femminile plurale, le. Another rule is about lo. Lo follows the same rule of un. Okay, is for singular male nouns that start for S plus consonant, PS, PN, Z, X, Y, GN. Let's see. So is lo scoiattolo, the squirrel, lo psicologo, lo psicologo, lo psicologo, lo pneumatico, lo pneumatico, lo pneumatico, lo zaino, lo zaino, lo zaino, lo xilofono, lo xilofono, lo xilofono, lo yogurt, lo yogurt, lo yogurt, lo gnomo, lo gnomo, lo gnomo. L'apostrofo, L with apostrophe, is for both singular male and female nouns. So, for example, l'albero, male, tree, l'alfabeto, male, the alphabet, l'arancia, female, the orange, l'insalata, female, the salad.